is being transmitted at the request of the South Bend Police Department. Calls are coming in from citizens and off-duty law enforcement about a strange sighting of an unknown creature in the city. The last known location of this creature is near the intersection of US Route 31 and Kent Road, walking north near the shoulder of Route 31. The creature is being described as the following by those who saw it. It is bipedal, with white fur, two-toned blue hair and the same color pattern on its tail, with a unicorn-like head and walking on two dark blue hooves. At last spotting it was not wearing any clothes. Due to the enclosed nature of this creature, authorities are advising the public to not approach him, as his intentions are unknown at this time. If you spot him, call the South Bend Police Department at 574-235-9201. Please stay tuned to local media outlets and the EAS for further updates on this situation.
You are my star tonight.
previous alerts sent on this developing situation around South Bend. Around 5 minutes ago, multiple calls came in a dispatch of a mysterious tin portal over the city on the north side, close to the University of Notre Dame. The cause of this entity has now been spotted flying out of the portal and flying at low altitudes averaging at 100 feet off the ground. The creature is identified by the following visual traits. She has pale cerise tanned fur, has a unicorn horn, Pegasus wings, and is wearing a dark tan short dress with blue sparkles on it. Her intentions are just as unknown as the male unicorn described earlier, but citizens have noted that neither of these new arrivals have shown hostility towards citizens of South Bend. Authorities, despite this, are advising the public to keep an eye out for both creatures and to practice caution if you spot them. Please stay tuned to local media and the EAS for more information.
Far from famous, but in bliss I live my dreams to find it. Little nerdy, but all too sturdy. Till you arrive, knock me down, feel it. I've got stars in my eyes. She's the top man in town, high class and wearing the crown. Fair princess got me speechless. There ain't no class that can teach this. She's got my heart tied in knots. I swear that ready or not, she'll know my name. I just hope somehow that you feel the same. Cause when you're here, I don't know what to do. My hopes are flying high. And when you're near, I don't know what to do. When you look my way, and I know that you are out of my league, but you stole my heart and gave it away. I know this isn't right, but these feelings I have won't go away, go away.
Royal princess with royal duties and royal pain in every pony. For my hoof and marriage they complaining. I had no idea if my prince I could choose, until my heart stopped when I looked to you. But I have checked all the charts, no way I'll throw in my darts. This talent's the perfect one, my shining second to none. He is so precious, you know, whenever he say hello. My special symphony, I'm hoping that you might agree. Hey, hey.
When you're here, I don't know what to do.
My hopes are flying high.
And when you're near, I don't know what to do.
When you look my way, and I know
That you are out of my league,
but you stole
my heart and gave it away.
I know it's isn't right, but his feelings I have one.
Go away, go away. And it won't go away. I'm on top of the world, road singing out my love for you.
And I don't want to go away. Got a passion to go that distance, all for you.
And every pony is saying we are crazy, but I do it all again if it means I can be there by your side and be there till the end.
This update is being transmitted at the request of the South Bend Office of Emergency Management in relay from info told by the two creatures described in past EAS messages. The two creatures, in chronological order, are Shining Armor and Quinn Cadence. Both are residents of the Crystal Empire on the planet of Equestria. This married couple has come to Earth by complete accident by means of a portal spell gone wrong. They, from what authorities have learned, mean humanity no harm and wish to coexist and vacation here in peace. Also, Shining Armor, the unicorn described in the initial EA's message, has found clothes. Both creatures are deemed safe to interact and converse with. This concludes this message, relayed via the emergency alert system.
Looking up into the dark, when we whispered words on everything, and we wondered why we are, but when you come. My way to outer space, where the lighthouse guides me home. Now I'm out of time and out of place. All the rocket ships have gone, and I think of childhood memories, looking up into the dark, when we whispered words on everything, and we wondered why we are, but when you come.